To adjust the drive chain tension on your Polaris Rush Pro S, follow these steps. Park the sled on a flat, level surface. Remove both side panels by releasing the rubber strap and turning the 2 quarter-turn latches. Pull the panels out and lift up to remove. Next, rotate the driven clutch counterclockwise to its end stop to move all chain slack to the tensioner side. Then, lock the parking brake. If equipped with a battery, remove the battery for additional clearance. Always remove the negative cable first to prevent arcing. Next, loosen the adjuster bolt jam nut. Finger tighten the adjuster bolt until it can no longer be adjusted by hand. Then back off 1/4 of a turn. Next, retighten the jam nut and torque to specification while holding the adjuster bolt. If equipped, reinstall the battery, beginning with the positive cable first to prevent arcing. Then, reinstall both side panels by inserting the tabs at the bottom and top. Finally, secure the rubber strap and the 2 quarter-turn latches. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.